Student community of Rangsali. Cry for new bridge at Langperpam Daitor. As summer began, rivers start flooding and water level were seen increasing, but to cross over the river for different purposes and especially for medical and school education, the government must prioritize to construct a bridge for smooth communication. Even ex-EM Roton Inti during his tenure and EM of the PWD did not even think of constructing an iron footbridge or slab walls, but he has provided an RCC bridge to the maximum all over Duar Bagori. To be mentioned for the past 10 years when Congress was power in the council government of the all-around development, fail and avoid to construct a bridge and solve a permanent solutions for the people of Rangsali. Now the students of both college and school children humble request the local MSc and EM Richard Togbi to kindly look the matter seriously and hear the pain. When the new government as Parivartan and Sabke Sab Sabka Vishwas has dominated each power in the council, while the BJP leader always spoke a beautiful world development in every public gathering and promised which the several seems. But what the people of rural area has witnessed are broken and torn bamboo bridge, deplorable road, etc.
Kenapa sih bang? Nah school kan lo? Go school kan. Nalo nanti nak ke orang ke? Rongsali. Rongsali panggil bang lah. Bakso ada long lo mah nang tung kai kita keteroy. Kang te kahing no ke pulon te kedang bang.
Kahing no ke lang sihat pon.
Lang segahat pon lo. Kai kita le pulang segahat pon lang de long kahing no ke. Nanti pilon tenang tum suning rigi lah. Local EM, education EM tadi.
Lah, school dam han de long nang pi
Besan di. Bang ando lah puh student nang tu.
Do.
Lepet andi. Tadi nang pihak tu suning rigi lebu. Nang tu men ke?
Den tamen tabi.
Salam.